Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset, and here we've got the option Reset Phone. So here we've got the option Reset All Settings. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock and tap on Reset. Be aware, because this operation cannot be undone, so just tap on Reset and now wait until your device will reset the settings, such as, for example, the screen timeout, etc., or the navigation type. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.